Now see here we are continuing our topic, that is matter in our surrounding. So physical nature of matter. So in, as you know, beta, matter can be classified into number of ways. Okay. So already ancient Indian philosopher, they told whatever matter, that is padartha, we can call it as a padartha also. So living, whatever living or non-living things, they can made from five basic elements, that is earth, air, earth, sky, fire, and water. Okay, Pancha Mahabhutas. Understood. Now, what will happen? Matter is made up of particles also. Okay, physical nature of matter. In that, we must mention here. Yes, what beta? Matter is made up of matter is made up of what beta? Particles. Now see here the universe is made up of matter and energy, and the presence of which can be realized by one or more of our five senses. Understood? So it is very much important here. All matter is composed of submicroscopic particles also. Okay, all matter. So we can mention here all matter is composed of submicroscopic particles. So that submicroscopic particles we can call it as a what beta? Yes, molecules. Okay. Now here, whatever most important part we are going to discuss, that is how small are the particles of matter. How how small are these particles of matter? ठीक है. Okay, don't worry, dear student. We will make face-to-face video also. Because of this weekend lockdown, I can't prepare like that video, face-to-face video. Okay, so next time, from next time, definitely we will make a face-to-face video. Okay, so see here. How small are those? How small are these particles of matter? So as you are observing, the particles of matter are very very small. The very very small size of particles of matter can be shown by performing one experiment. Okay, so that experiment I will show in our chemistry lab also. So say, as you know here, potassium permanganate. See, potassium permanganate. Okay, having a formula KMnO4. Chemical formula is what beta? KMnO4. Now, what will happen when we dissolve this small crystal of this KMnO4 also in beaker? See, when we dissolve small crystal of what beta? Small crystal of KMnO4 in water. So whole solution becomes what? Whole solution becomes purple in color. Okay, whole solution is purple in color. ठीक है, means that much small particles of matter. Okay, when you dilute again this solution, it becomes what? Light purple color. Okay, then finally what? When you again dilute this, then become what? Pink in color. I will show this experiment. Don't worry. Okay. Now say, means that much small of this particle of matter regarding potassium permanganate. Okay. So potassium permanganate crystal itself must be made up of millions of small particles which keep on spreading and imparting color to more and more water, or we can say on dilution. Okay. Now with color, okay, with color it is easy to identify. So definitely I will show this whatever regarding experiment of our potassium permanganate. Okay, so we can this use Among these, many of you saw this, I think, KMNO4. Okay, first what beta completely violet, we can say violet in color. Okay, when whatever small particles also it get color of purple, then what beta light purple, then pink. Okay, now see here we will discuss characteristics of particles of matter. What beta we will discuss here? Characteristics of particles of matter. See, characteristics of particles of matter. ठीक है. So according to kinetic theory of matter, the particles of matter have the following four characteristics, so that we will discuss which are those four mainly characteristics of particles of matter. First is the particles of matter are very very small. The particles of matter are very very small. The matter, so why it is very very small? Suppose the matter is composed of, as you know, the matter is composed of small particles. Okay, so we will see here one experiment. Okay, that also I will show you in our lab, that is chemistry lab. Okay, suppose in a beaker, so it is what our beaker, it is a water, and if you keep here one small crystal of copper sulfate, it is what complete formula of copper sulfate, that is CuSO4.5H2. We can commonly called as what, blue vitriol. What beta? Blue vitriol. Small piece of what here, or copper sulfate in water. Okay, so what will happen? Water begins to become blue colored, and slowly the size of crystal smaller and smaller. Okay, the crystal has divided itself into number of smaller particles and ultimately dissolve in water. Understood? So from this experiment we can conclude that the particles of matter are very very small, means it is composed of smallest small particles. Okay, so basically these two experiments we will discuss in chemistry lab. Okay, understood? I will show it, don't worry. Say, second, suppose if you are discussing here second characteristics of particles of matter. The particles of matter have spaces between the particles of matter have spaces between them. Okay, suppose we can observe here there are present spaces between them. So say size and number of the spaces, however, differ from one kind of matter to another. Means they differ. How we can differ between the particles of matter or spaces between them? Suppose we will take one piece of chalk. Okay, piece of chalk. So what will happen? Piece of chalk, as you know, whatever we are use for writing on blackboard, and whenever we are deep in water, so what will happen? Some water is absorbed by the chalk. Some water some water is absorbed by the chalk. Yes, as you know this, you may saw this. Okay, absorbed by chalk, there are vacant spaces. Why they absorb? Because of vacant spaces or pores in the chalk which are occupied by the water. Understood? So we can call it here second particle characteristics of particles of matter, that is the particles of matter have spaces between them. So piece of our chalk, when you dissolve in water, deep in water, so water immediately absorb. absorb. Okay, why? Because of empty spaces present in this chalk. Okay, so our next characteristics, so we will discuss in our next session. Thank you very much.